In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Canva subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to move smoothly from a free plan to a paid one that suits your needs. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the account you want to upgrade. This is important because the upgrade will apply only to the account that's currently signed in. Once you're on your Canva homepage, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your account settings, your billing, and other management tools. Think of this area as your control center for everything related to your Canva account, not just your designs. From this menu, look for the option labeled Plans and Pricing. This is the section where Canva lays out all of the subscription options available to you. Click on Plans and Pricing to continue. After clicking, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that compares the different plans. Here, you can review what each subscription level includes, such as access to premium templates, additional storage, brand kits, and advanced collaboration tools. Take a moment to read through these details so you're choosing the plan that truly fits how you use Canva, whether that's for personal projects, content creation, or work with a team. You'll typically see options for monthly or yearly billing. Yearly plans often come with a discount, so if you know you'll be using Canva long term, that might be more cost effective. On the other hand, a monthly plan can be useful if you just want to test things out for a shorter period. Once you've decided which plan is right for you, click on the button to select that plan and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your upgrade. Make sure your payment details are correct before confirming, and that's all you need to do. By clicking your profile icon in the lower left, then heading into Plans and Pricing, you can quickly review your options and upgrade your Canva subscription with confidence.